Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free course or get free courses on Coursera. Guys, I'm sure you've been hearing about Coursera. Coursera is a very popular website known for courses and skills. People come here to learn skills and, get degrees and certificates from courses. And it's very, very important to understand that there are many other websites out there that you can actually do the same with. There is Udemy, there is Udacity, there is EDX. There's so many such platforms. But of all of them, I must tell you that Coursera is my favorite. The reason is because Coursera does have courses that are highly accredited, highly highly delivered by highly people who are highly skilled from very popular universities, very reputable universities, and that's why I like Coursera. So without wasting your time, guys, let me show you exactly how to get free courses on Coursera. As you can see right here, there are very many areas on Coursera where you can actually do courses, data science, so many areas, guys. There's business, computer science, technology, health, and even personal development. There's so many areas, guys, you can actually choose from to um, enhance your skills. But guys, let's go into getting free courses because if it's for free, then you can call on me. All right, guys. So let's talk about this free method. So I'll talk about three free methods of getting courses here, Coursera. So I want you to please stay tuned. The last method, guys, is going to be the best method, guys. So watch until the end of the video. This is what people don't really talk about, guys, but I'm going to tell you clearly in this video how you can do it. I've done it for many courses, to be honest, and it has worked completely well. All right, guys, so let's jump into the video. So the very first thing you do, guys, is to find out the free courses on Coursera. Are they actually free courses on Coursera? Let's find out. So what you do, guys, is to go here and simply type in free courses. Free courses. Okay. Free courses, and you can see that Coursera gives you a list of free courses in different areas. You can see here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is even more as you go down. As you scroll down, there's more, or there are more courses for you to that are for free. And if you want to, for example, refine the results you're getting by the subject or the skills, you can actually go here and tick the boxes that you want to apply. For example, let's say I want to see only health. Let's say I want to see health. I can apply to all, and it's displayed to me the health courses that are for free. That is how you can actually get free courses. So if the course you want for the courses or the course you want fall into this falls into this category, you can actually choose any one of them here. And then you can actually study the course and enhance your skill very easily without paying a dime for it. And guess what, guys? At the end of the course, you get to have a certificate for it. So how good is that, guys? That is amazing. It is absolutely amazing, as you can see, guys. So why not leverage on this, guys? This is your time. Use this method and get a free course for yourself. But the problem becomes it becomes more difficult when you have scrolled through all these pages and the course you want to study or to go through to enhance your skill is not available for free. If that's the case, guys, then you probably will run into a little bit of a problem. So how do you get those courses that are not listed for free? Can you get them for free? All right, guys, so this brings us to our second method. How do you get free courses on Coursera? All right, so in this next method, guys, I want to show you how to do that. What you do, guys, is to go simply here and type in the area. Let's say I want to type in, I want a course on DevOps on AWS, for example. Let's go here and let's have a look at the course. This is like this is like a course, right? That we can study for DevOps on AWS specialization. So guys, what you can do, guys, is to, if this is a specialization, guys, all you have to do is to scroll down to the end, and you can see that it gives you a breakdown of all the courses in this specialization. Okay, there are 4 courses in this specialization, as you can see right here. So click on any of them that you want to study. So this one, go here, and then you can see here it says enroll for free. That means there's a possibility that you can get this for free for at least 7 days. It says here try for free, enroll to start your 7-day full access free trial. Sorry about that. Free trial. And so, guys, for 7 days, guys, you can actually do this course and it will cost you nothing, provided that you go through the course and you finish the course within 7 days. Is that possible, guys? Let's go down here and see. This course can take 18 hours to complete, guys. In a day, we have 24 hours. Let's say you spend 4 hours every day on this course. In 7 days, you must have had, should have like 28 hours to spend on this course. And why wouldn't you do this course, guys? You can finish this course in less than 7 days, clearly, as you can see. So it is very possible to do this course in 7 days and finish the course. Right, guys. So that's one method. That's the next method that I'm showing you to get free courses on Coursera. Okay, on Coursera. As you can see right here, this course is on AWS Cloud Technical Essentials. So guys, this is one way. And the second method I'm showing you now. Let's talk about the last and very important method. This is the method that most people actually don't know about. They don't think it really works. They just omit it, guys. But let's say the course you're about to do is going to take a long time. Let's say it's going to take like 24 hours to complete or even more. What do you do about it? Some even take days and weeks to complete. How can you do course that takes weeks to complete in 7 days? It can be very, very challenging, guys. But to avoid that, the best way to do this, guys, is to use this method I'm about to show you right now. So what you do, guys, is to simply go into the course. For example, as you can see right here, this is the course here. You go right here to where it says financial aid available. Go right there. And it says here to enroll for the course. It says here to apply for the financial aid. So we're going to do that here in this video. Click on where it says continue to application. Click right there. It leads you onto this page here. And here, so you can see right here, I have done this before. I've applied and it has been granted to me. And every time I apply, it's given to me every single time I apply, saying the same thing. All right, guys. So it depends on you guys. You can think about why you're unable to afford the course. Which is what you should actually focus on. Why are you not able to afford the course, guys? And then you explain to them exactly why you cannot afford the course, and then based on the analysis or evaluation of your reason, they can now grant you the course for free. So this is what I just wrote down for the purpose of this video, to give you an idea of what it should look like. Something that actually is clear enough, that gives a strong motivation for anybody who's a reader to grant you the course, and knowing that you have the interest that is required to do the course, and you would have paid for the course if you had the money, if you could afford it, right? So once you do this, guys, you'll be given the course for absolutely free to go through the course, as long as it takes you to go through the course. So no need to rush, no 7-day period to run through the course. You take your time and go through the course. That is how you do this, guys. Guys, take a while and look at this carefully, guys, because this is the format that I've used, or I did use, and it worked for me. All right, so this is what you should do, guys. I would say to you guys, don't lie about it, be honest, but tell them exactly why you cannot do the course. You don't have to lie about it, guys. Be honest, like I said to you, and I'm sure that you'll be given the course. Make sure that you describe exactly that you are motivated to do the course, and you can't do it because you have financial restraints. So that is what you should do. Once you do this, guys, you will be fine. It gives you here your education background here. It tells you here it requests as well your annual income. It tells you as well your employment status. If you're a student, write student. If not, you can choose what exactly you are doing at that moment in time. So guys, that's how you do it. Get a course on Coursera for absolutely free. So these have been these are my three working methods of getting courses free on Coursera. All right, guys, I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget, guys, to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will show you more tips on how to enhance your lives with using tech and devices. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and bye for now.